Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create online course in Skool.com in 2024. Of course, Skool.com is a powerful platform that makes it very easy to create, manage, and also sell online courses. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to set up your own course. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to this URL section and all you need to do is simply type skool.com. Once you do so, you'll be taken to their home screen or main screen. If you have an account by any chance, so just go here to skool.com and a new private tab. As you can see, if it's your first time, you'll find the login option there. Click on it to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, you can click on sign up for free to create a new account. Once you create a new account, if it's your first time, they'll basically ask you to enter like a profile picture with a small bio. Of course, if you want to stand up as an example, because if you want to create a course, you would like people to join it, right? So if you're trying to create like a bio that will stand up, make sure to use like something like ChatGPT, which will help you a lot. That's what I did, or what we did in the last video of Skool.com. So, example, if we go here to our account and click on our profile, as you can see, this bio is created by ChatGPT. As an example, so digital marketer with 5+ years experience in SEO, social media, passionate about impactful campaigns, and looking forward to connecting. So it's good, right? It's better than nothing. Of course, you'll not be able to write more, so the limit is just 150 characters, so you'll not be able to write more. So make sure to have a good bio like this one as example. You can use ChatGPT, or if you want an example, you can simply just go and make your own. If you're creative as example, you can create something good. So once you logged in as example, if you go here to Skool as example, top right corner, you can first of all create a community to share the course with it. To create a community, you'll be able to create it for free, but just for 14 days. After that, you will have to pay like $100 per month. You can cancel anytime, of course, and all features, unlimited everything, and no hidden fees. What you will get, you'll get everything that you will need to build a community and make some online money, as an example. And it's highly engaged, simple to set up, fun to use, charged for membership. So if you have like a lot of people, basically you'll get this $100 back. We work in iOS and Android apps. Millions of users use it daily. So all you need to do, give it a name, enter your card number, click on start your free trial, and as you can see, your first charge will be on July the 5th for me, or 14th for me in 2024 for $100 or 99 actually. And of course, you can cancel at any time with one click. By clicking below, you can accept the terms. Make sure to read the terms before anything, especially to understand like your rights, just in case of any conflicts happens. So once you create your community, you'll basically have a community like maybe this one, as an example. So you can see the bio of each community. You can see videos of each community as examples. Like there's a lot of communities, like maybe this one also as example. So this is a community to shred as an example, to make yourself shredded as an example. So as you can see, it's $33 per month. Oh, so it's going up. It's going to be soon like that. So it's maybe lower than this. Yeah, it's $22 now, but it's going to be like more as an example, and get the grandfather and pricing while you still can as example. So as you can see, just simple like bio for your community or for your course maybe as an example. So instead of you having a community for fitness, maybe you have a community for a course, for maybe you're trying to teach some people how to start coding on HTML as an example, or something like that. Just simply enter whatever you want on the community name, and the bio you will have to simply explain what the course is going to be about. As simple as that. So after that, you'll have to set up a price for joining, for members to join. And yeah, as simple as that. Here, people will be able to see, as example, small like bio about it. Here, you can add some links, as example, to it, so people will be taken to another site. If you have a site of yours, as example, people will be able to. You can see like an example where people are. So yeah, like Earth is flat, right? Of course. So I'm just joking. So of course, here as you can see like where people like are from. That's on this community as an example from here. So the alliance of this or members of this people of this person, example, where they're from. So example, a lot of them from America, a lot of them from Africa, Europe, as example. So there are people from Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, North and like even South Africa. I don't know what's that is. What's in here? Wait, let me just check. So what's country is that? Hondo what? Okay, I can't read it. So Honolulu, okay, that's the first time I've heard of something like that. I heard something like that. So as you can see, all over the world, he have like community members all over the world. So as you can see a lot of people anywhere. So yeah, you can do the same basically. Just if you like, you don't have ideas, you can simply just follow other people. Just go through communities. As example, you can even add videos to explain like to people about your community. As example, of course, I'll not play the video because of copyright or something like that. So I'll not go further than that. And yeah, as example, there's a lot of community here to enter. As you can see, each of them has its own price. Some of them are free to join. You can put your course for free. You can put it for money if you want people to pay. Or you can put it for free. First of all, to get some people to join. First of all, like maybe you can do a course for a coding, HTML, maybe CSS or something like that. So basically, you can create your course, structure your course, add even some quizzes and assignments. You'll be able to do that. You'll be able to set some price and access however you want, and even you can customize your course page, launch your course, engage with your students, example, because it's very important to keep them alive with you. And of course, you can track the performance of your course using the analytics tools available in Skool.com. They will provide for you an analytics tool. You can go to analytics section that you will find, of course, with your community, and you'll be able to do that. And yeah, after that, all you need to do is simply promote your community on social media, on wherever you want, and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.